Hi, it's Anna here from Ace. Today I'm going to share with you how to restain a piece of wood furniture. Let's kick off this project by using this stripping gel. I like this product because it has less odor and it's not as abrasive as other products that are out on the market. I'm gonna let this sit for at least 30 minutes. And when it's done, I'll be able to take my plastic scraper and scrape off a few layers of this stain and the varnish. I waited a half hour and now I'm ready to scrape off the section. I'm gonna repeat this process as necessary because I really wanna get to that bare wood to put that stain on. That took a lot of elbow grease, but this chair is stripped. The next step is to take our power sander and really rough up the surface. Here's an Annie tip for you. You're gonna wanna use a medium grit sanding sponge, and when you sand, make sure you go with the grain of the wood. I'm gonna use a Tac Cloth to get rid of any of this fine grit sand so it doesn't mix with my stain. The next thing I'm gonna do is apply the pre-stain wood conditioner. This is gonna help any splotching and streakiness when I apply the stain. Make sure when you're using stain, you want to stir it, never shake it. I'm gonna let this set for about 1 to 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take a rag and I'm gonna get rid of any excess. And then I'm gonna lightly sand it one more time. I chose a water-based stain, and the color is in classic gray. I want this stain to really show that color, so I chose a solid color stain. It might need a few coats, so let's get staining. This is looking great. I'm gonna finish up this chair and the others, so I've got a lot of staining to do. I brought out my own inner artist by taking that table and I stained the legs white. It looks great with those chairs. It's like a brand new piece of furniture that I didn't have to pay for.